Because we have seek your permission to swear the witness. So, this is the Bible. Read out and say after. Say, I, mention what it is.
Robert Joseph Metal Nunu,
Do swear on this Bible
do swear on this Bible
that the evidence I will give this case
that the evidence I will give in this case
shall be the truth,
shall be the truth,
the whole truth,
the whole truth,
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
That was SOD in English.
Can you give your full name to the court? Can you give your full name to the court? Have you unmuted? Have you unmuted?
Can you hear me?
Yes, now we can. Yes, please give your full name to the court.
My name is Robert Joseph Metal Nunu.
Now, you have put in a witness statement in respect of this case. Is that right?
My Lord, that is correct.
My Lord, may we have the witness statement adopted in these proceedings. And do you have a copy of that witness statement with you?
Yes, my Lord, I have a copy of the witness statement.
Very well.
My Lords, we wish to draw the court's attention to the fact that the
Yes, my Lord.
Yes, do you have any objection or comments or whatever?
No, for now,
Okay.
I will abide by my learned colleagues' submissions.
Yes, my Lord. The witness statement has a statement of truth attached to it. And my Lord will see when I read, I, Robert Joseph Metal Nunu, say that I am the witness herein and that I made this statement in respect of this presidential election petition, and that to the best of my knowledge and honest belief, paragraphs 1 to 16 of the witness statement are true to the best of my knowledge, information, and belief. My Lords, that on the face of this document means that the witness is only 16 paragraphs of the witness statement. We would submit that paragraph 17 32 should be struck out as not part of his witness statement. My Lord, this is a very important issue because in our view, this witness statement and the statement of truth, show that the witness statement was first crafted up to 16. And it is only after the cross-examination of Professor White and the rest that these other 16 paragraphs have been added there.
When did Dr. Professor White leave the witness box?
He left the witness box on
Wednesday.
Wednesday, yes.
Mr. Kutamba.
No, my lords, may I be permitted? No, it isn't. May I
Speculative.
my lords, if I may be permitted to demonstrate my point. My lords, notice.
This is a reading of the court. The second respondent counsel has raised objections to various paragraphs from the testimony of Robert Joseph Metununo, PW3, in these proceedings. The relevant paragraphs, the subject of the objection are from line 3 of paragraph 4, paragraphs 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 16, 17, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 29, 30, and 31. Are objected to on the ground that they are not supported by the pleadings. Paragraph 9, 15, and 18 were objected to on the basis that they raise issues as to authenticity of documents in the election that the court has already dealt with. Paragraph 10 was objected to on the ground that the petitioner is seeking to build a new case. Paragraph 12, 25, and 26 are objected to as reflecting the opinion and irrelevant to the issues in controversy. Petitioner's counsel has argued that the objections are not supported in law because the testimony is premised on either the petition and the pleadings and the answers and prior testimony of the second witnesses, Dr. Pasa White, on the 3rd of February 2021, and the answer of the first respondent hearing. We've considered the submissions of both counsel and the testimony and the pleadings in this petition. We are of the opinion that paragraphs 4, 5, 6, 7, and 18 ought to be struck out, and as they have no foundation in the pleadings or supported by the evidence, and the same is hereby struck out. Yes, the rest, that is the remaining paragraphs in the witness statement are maintained. The petition is hereby adjourned to Monday, the 8th of February 2021 for cross-examination of PW3 at 9:30 a.m. So in fact, apart from paragraphs 4, 5, 6, 7, and 18, the rest of the paragraphs remain.